So right here I have the MX65 pickleball paddle kit. I love this kit already because it comes with a professional bag. You get a compartment on the side and there is going to be padding all the way throughout with a nice handle. So as we open this up, we're actually going to get 4 balls in here, and these aren't just like your regular style balls. They actually have like a fluorescent, almost like a see-through look to them. They have the company's logo on here, which is really nice, and just love the way they feel. They have a great texture to them. Always good to have extra balls. This kit is also going to come with a ball picker upper, which is really nice. And you can see the shape of this actually goes on the back of the paddle. So when the ball's on the ground, you can have this on the back of the paddle and just put it upside down, pick it up so you don't have to actually reach down and bend it down. You can just hold the pickleball paddle at the top. I'll show you here in just a moment, but I do think that's cool. A lot of the kits don't come with that. So that's really nice. They include this in the price. And by the way, the price is very reasonable for what they have to offer. Now moving on, you can see these are packaged so nicely, so during shipping, you know nothing is going to get damaged. Inside the bag, you also get an additional compartment where you can keep the paddles completely separate. It also comes with 2 different color grips on here, which is really nice if you do want to regrip it and change the color, so I always love that because your hands do get kind of sweaty. Now let's open these up. And it's also going to be really nice that they're giving you 2 rackets in the kit. So you basically have everything that you need in order to get started as soon as you buy this. Now, taking a look at the paddle itself, I love how this has a nice spray paint matte finish on here, which is really going to help for control on the ball. And you can actually put a lot of spin on the ball when you do have a matte finish. So I'm always about that. And I definitely love how they offer that on here. The paintwork on here is just amazing. I love the gradient color. The colors just pop, and there are so many different options on the site to choose from, which really makes this special. Around the side, you're going to have a nice guard protection. So whenever you're swinging the racket, if you come down low and hit the bottom, you're not going to mess up the sides and it's going to be totally protected. So this has a honeycomb core polypropylene, which is going to be really nice and help enhance the sweet spot and also control and power. This has a carbon fiber exterior that is really going to help make this lightweight and durable. So moving down here, I'm going to tear this off so we can get a good feel of what the handle's like. First impressions on this handle, it is really nice. And I love the way that they did this leather. It's like a brownish tan orange and just looks absolutely beautiful. You have a nice grip on the top here that is removable and has the company's logo on here, which is really nice. So if your hand goes all the way up, it's going to keep your hand. You can feel the padding in this handle all the way throughout, which is really going to help with shock absorption when you're swinging the racket and hitting the ball. It's really going to help you maintain control. The racket's handle is actually not super long, but we do have a 4/34 handle, so it's going to be about 4.75 inches wide. So it's going to be on the thicker side of the handle, but it's not too thick and feels really, really nice in the hand. On the bottom, you're going to get the company's logo, which I think is really nice. And now we're going to throw that attachment on here and see what that's all about. All right, so now that I have that on here, that is so cool and really handy. So you can actually just play with it like that. And if you want to pick up the ball, all you have to do is just go down and grab it just like that. So that makes that super handy and a nice feature that they do offer. Overall, I'm absolutely loving this paddle. It feels super lightweight and well balanced in the hand. For the price, I think this is a very premium paddle. This paddle is also USAPA approved, so it is the pickleball organization approved here, and that is going to fall in the criteria of like weight, which is 8 ounces in weight, and it's going to be the length and the width. So you know you're going to be playing with a certified approved paddle so you can get your game on point. This thing is amazing. I can't wait to use it. Highly recommend this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.